First time driving the M5. 550 on deck.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted, and we're back at it again today. As y'all may see, I'm dressed a little bit differently today. Some of y'all might ask, Posted, why you got your Justin Timberlake suit and tie game going? I got an important update for y'all today. Real quick, make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like on this video so you guys can see more from me in the future. Let's go ahead and get this baby rolling first. Yeah, she feeling good now. She feeling nice and healthy. Beautiful day. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna roll down my window. Maybe you guys can see out the window a little bit. It's like 76 degrees, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, and just a perfect day for driving. Gotta make it out of the cop area first before we have some fun. Beautiful lake over here. Crazy. I hope all you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys out there grinding, working hard for what you want, working hard to make your dream come true. It's all on you. Big shouts out to you guys. I'm just enjoying my life now that I got my baby back, man. Wow. Got kids and moms out here playing in their front yard. So this is what I'm talking about, man. It's the perfect day to be out and about now that summer is unfortunately coming to an end. Our days with nice roads and nice conditions are numbered here in Michigan, unfortunately. It's about to be September, and usually snow in Michigan soon to follow. That sound never get old. So yeah, the update I got going on in my life right now, my wife and I just closed on getting a new house. So at the end of next month, we will be moved into our brand new house. The house itself is not brand new to us. And we will actually be out by Woodward. So I'll have access to the Woodward Autobahn, and also all my folks who live out that way, which will be awesome for you guys because you'll get to see all the content, but it'll be awesome for me because as of right now it's a little bit of a drive to get there, and I'll get to see all the homies on more of a regular basis out that way. And you know we're gonna be getting into it, so it's gonna be great times. Very nice location, very nice neighborhood. Yeah, nothing more to really say. I couldn't come up with anything else. But I'm excited. We're excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We got a big 2.5 car garage too, so I'm super happy. Y'all know me, the make or break deal for getting a place was a garage. So I had to have my garage. One more update for you guys aside from getting the new house. Damn, these roads are terrible. Anyway, as of March 2020, I will be a proud uncle. Uncle Posted. My sister-in-law, Stephanie, and her husband, Kyle, are going to be having a baby. I am thoroughly excited to spoil that kid and bring them up in a true uncle fashion. Get them into cars, take them out on drives, you know what I mean? Keep them in the culture. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait. Yep, you gotta teach them how to drive stick. That was with traction I. But I'm curious, what kind of updates do you guys have going on right now in your life? If you are comfortable sharing, please drop a comment below. I'm genuinely interested. I like hearing all the experiences and different things from my fellow family members. I think I told y'all before, I really could just ride here for like the next 10 minutes straight without saying a word. Just listen to my exhaust out the back, man. It's soothing. It's almost meditative. You just want to lean back, go ahead and chill. No other soundtrack I'd rather have either. I wish I had my sunglasses on me. Unfortunately, I can't find them. Usually I keep them right in here. I think I took them out the other day when I went out with my wife and just never put them back in here. But hey, you win some, you lose some. You gotta roll with the punches though. If you guys haven't seen my last few videos, make sure you go do so right after this one. But definitely make sure you go watch the overview of my Pez-Tio dash cam that I have. This thing is amazing. I take it with me everywhere I go. This thing has 1080p recording on it, 170-degree wide-angle camera, so everything in front of you is caught on camera. One of the biggest features about this cam right here is that it has a connectable rear cam, so at the same time you can see the screen of the front and the back and record both the front and the back. So in a regular instance, you're in a rear-end collision, you won't have recording video from the back because dash cams only usually go from the front. Everything's really easy to set up, including putting in the micro SD card and all. So make sure you guys go check this out. Link is in the description. You guys can pick one of these up for $60, and with my code posted up, you guys can get 10% off. That's a thank you from me to you for you guys being awesome. Let's roll. That with the cam in hand, baby. Thank you, Pez-Tio. That extra horsepower on them. So what do you guys think? Plus 5 horsepower, plus 10 horsepower, plus 15? Drop a comment, let me know. That's how you break the back end loose, boys and girls. Yeet! Jeez Louise, the cracking out the back. I might have a cargasm right now, yo. The sound of this exhaust banging out back is crazy. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get another GoPro so I can attach that to the back while I drive, and I can get the dual recording of the audio to overlap like I did in the previous point of view video I did. But that's my goal, to have another GoPro so I can give you guys better quality audio in the back. Because right now, you guys, this audio right here is not doing it any justice. I'll tell you that much right now. All the little tones, the little pops and cracks that this engine makes, this exhaust makes, is just ridiculous. I feel like everywhere I go in Michigan, no matter what time of year, there's construction. Construction season is all year round in Michigan. Gotta go through it right now. Crazy. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta shift so that you can downshift. Like so. Ooh, the sound just echoes off everything. All right, I just found a little spot I think looks good for a little bit of photo action. I'm gonna look for another spot after this because we have a yellow bar back here. But I think overall, it's a pretty nice location, wouldn't you say? Pretty decent view? Yeah, I think so too. Alright y'all, that's all for me. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys drop that like.